Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm gonna show you the result of the eraser of the Brownies Philip, and this is series 3000, and this is the cut of 23 mm. Okay, so I started from top to bottom. Okay, and later I'm going to adjust the comb to different sizes here. Okay, so I reduce it to number 17 mm size of the comb. It has only one comb, guys, so a little bit adjustment I made because it came from 4 combs, and this a little bit difficult to cut, so just keep on adjusting, guys, to the desired comb mm. Okay, this is from 1 to 23, so 1, next is 3, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, then 22 mm. So it has 13 length setting, guys. Okay, it's almost done, guys. So the lower part I use the 1 mm followed by 3 mm and 5 mm. Now it seems okay now. That's final touch it. Okay, so again I use the 23 mm to reduce the top length. Okay, for refine I use number 7 here, and there are some parts which is very difficult to refine. Now I didn't use the comb, so I use the 0.5 mm here for the lowest part of the hair. So I just inverted the razor and trim. Okay, again 43 mm.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Next, let's trim the forehead here to make it a straight line. This is optional, guys, but for nicer look you can do it the same. Okay, to remove the comb, just press the 2 edge and pull and press the one I show you and pull the blades and wash. But this part cannot be washed, so use the brush and wipe the hair inside it and just aim it and push back. It's all done. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Until then, thank you and God bless.